Hello everyone! As any social media, YouTube has its own customization. This way, you are working on an image and presentation of your brand, product, service, business, company, or yourself. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. This will be one short and effective video tutorial. Go to your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel, and then click on Layout. Add videos that can present you and present your work even though they're not subscribed to your channel. You can upload a presentable trailer as well as point out some featured videos. Branding. Next step is to upload your profile photo and banner. Be careful with the banner because there are 3 preferable dimensions for mobile phones, desktop, and TV. You can also add a stamp that it can appear at one time in your video. It can be your logo of your business partner, or any kind of stamp when you want to emphasize something. Basic information. Part where you need to write down the short description that tells in short what your channel is about. A custom URL is an easy to remember channel name. URL is a uniform resource locator. It incorporates the domain name along with other detailed information to create a complete web address. When someone has its own URL name, it tells that the person is more into the business. Also, it helps others to find you more easily and helps browsers and their algorithms to push you up in the competitor's scale. How do we create one URL for the YouTube channel? This is the URL that you can share with your audience. Audiences can see your URL like this. In example, youtube.com/your custom name, or youtube.com/c/your custom name. Before creating a URL name, you'll have to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded profile picture, and have uploaded cover banner image. If you're eligible for a custom URL, you'll see a notice in Settings, Left Menu, Basic Info, and you will see a Set a Custom URL for your channel bar. If you can't see this option, you may have to wait to get eligible for such change. How to choose the right one. URL name should be your channel name. If it's already taken, be sure to use a name that presents your channel in the best way. For example, you're selling, presenting, or reviewing mobile phones, and you wish your channel's URL to be youtube.com/mobile phone. But if it's already taken, use the next one, such as youtube.com/mobile phones or youtube.com/mobile phones reviews. Go to YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization, and then click Set a Custom URL for your channel. In the box, you'll see your custom URL. Also, you can add some letters and numbers in case the name is already taken, for example. Click on Publish and Confirm to create one. You can transfer the URL to someone else once your custom URL has been set up. Remove. Sign into YouTube and then go to YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization, Basic Info, and under your current custom URL, click Delete. Under About, click your custom URL. Click Remove, and then click Remove again to confirm you want to permanently delete your URL. You can remove a custom URL for your channel up to 3 times per year. You can claim a new custom URL by removing the old one, then clicking on Set a Custom URL for your channel, and simply repeat the steps already mentioned. It can take a couple of days for the previous URL to be deactivated and to create a new one. Keep in mind that YouTube reserves the right to change, reclaim, or remove custom URLs at any given time. All the things mentioned in a video can be changed, like profile picture, stamp, or presentational video. We told you this will be one short and effective tutorial. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.